And I have to do a video.
What you doing? It's already taking it out. Taking it away from me, Kuya. It's so long. Unbox it. What is it? Oh, nice color.
Is it America?
Oh.
Or maybe
What?
how I open this.
I don't know.
Or maybe
Unboxing it, open it, or unpack it. That's what Sissy says.
it's an air dancer.
Oh,
Oh, it's one of those barbershop tools.
oh my goodness.
3, 2, 1. Wow, it's buffalo there. It looks like a carnival tunnel in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Yeah. Yeah, look at it.
And
Hey Wackies, today I'm going to do the poem. Build a ship upon the stairs, all made of back bedroom chairs. It's full of soft billows to go sailing on the billows. And we took a saw of several nails and water of a nursery pails. And Tom said, let's also take an apple and a slice of cake, which is enough for Tom and me. We go sailing in days and days and have the very best place. But Tom fell out and hurt his knee. So there's no one left but me.
yay! What can you say about that, Kuya?
Encore.
Good morning. How you doing, guys?
Hot, good.
What it does mean? One more week and it's a spring break,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And I have to do a video.
What you doing? It's already taking it out. Taking it away from me, Kuya. So what is that it is?
Let me think. Maybe
My
an
guess?
air dancer or an inflatable.
Here's my guess.
Maybe this is a house.
No, maybe it's a rainbow.
Or maybe this is a car.
Maybe not.
Maybe this is a swimming pool.
If your guys are wrong,
It's too late for a swimming.
It's too early. It's still kind of cool.
if you did the right answer, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you don't love, if it's wrong,
What?
my brother will chicken you tonight.
Nah, more chicken. What a chicken. Keep believing.
Hey.
What is that, see? I wonder what it is. I don't know what it is also. I forgot what it is already. There's no sign to know what it is. Come on, see. When are you gonna unbox that one? You're unboxing it so long. Unbox it. What is it? Oh, nice color.
Is it America?
Oh.
Or maybe
What?
how I open this.
I don't know.
Or maybe
Unboxing it, open it, or unpack it. That's what Sissy says.
it's an air dancer.
Oh,
Oh, it's one of those barbershop tools.
oh my goodness. What is that, say? A pole dancer? A barbershop pole dancer? Or a barbershop tube man air dancer? Which one? Oh my goodness. How long this is? How many feet you think? Hold it. Does it have face or just a pole?
It's just a pole.
Oh, no face.
No face. Oh, that's a first.
What, no face?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, everything we have has a face. This is how no face.
Yeah, and no arms.
What color is it?
We have finished our
I know the
goals on
colors.
We have finished our air dancer lottery.
Yeah, it's
What? What color?
white, blue, red. White, blue, red. White, blue, red. White, blue, red. White, blue.
Black.
Black.
So this is, I think this is from this. Look at that. It's like a latex on the wrap. This is from, what's the other one? FFN? I think this is from Feather Flag Nation. Because I'm sorry, Wackys, because I don't remember anymore. Because it's there's no name right there. But I think this is from FFN, Feather Flag Nation. And I think this is a 10 feet.
Mom, look, I'm popping bubbles.
Yes, you are. 10 feet. Barbershop.
No face air dancer.
No face air dancer. Tube
I'm
Man.
gonna call it No Face Barber Air Dancer.
Okay, see.
No, I have a weird name.
Okay.
I have no face, and I must scream.
How about you?
I
What's your
got
name?
A seal.
No.
I mean
Dancer.
the barbershop No Face Air Dancer.
The barbershop no face air dancer Tube Man.
Like a fan made name. Z, what's your name?
My real name?
No.
No, for the air dancer.
Can you put this in the trash?
I know the name. I got a
Now
name.
Kuya is running over this. What is this?
Bubble wrap.
Who likes bubble wrap, guys? Who
Me.
likes popping it? There are people who likes popping it.
Yeah.
Oh, so don't throw this one. You can play this inside. See, don't just throw this one. No, the plastic. Okay. Ready? We're gonna get the 10 feet blower. Oh my goodness. Zz win this time.
What?
You won.
Yep, I won.
Okay, we're gonna get the 10 feet blower. Do you know where's the 10 feet blower?
Do you know where the 10 feet blower is?
Nope.
Come on, we gotta put this barbershop pole Tube Man no face.
Let's switch around.
Remember, I put it right here. It's always right there. The 10 feet blower. Now, where is it? We're looking for a 10 feet blower. Oh, here it is. Good job, Z.
Yeah, I found it because I looked up from my eyes.
You look up to your eyes, not in your mouth. Right, kids? When your mom tells you to look for something, I can't see it. But it's already right there in your front because you're looking in your mouth, not in your eyes. Ay, ay, ay. Can you help me out?
Okay, I'll help you out. Wow.
Wow, so strong. This is so strong. Alright. So we gotta put it in. Or do you want it right there?
Yeah.
Kuya's gotta put in. Dun, 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 dun. Is that how so expert at
Put
doing
the
it?
air dancer on the correct order.
Quiet, you guard.
I'm not God.
Okay, Genghis.
That's my real name.
Oh, that's your nickname. Oh, silly kusisi. Okay, the Kuya is putting on the barbershop pole no face Tube Man air dancer on the 10 feet blower. Should be beautiful, Kuya. There you go. Can you fold it? Can you fold it?
No.
No.
Mom! They followed us.
Or we can do.
Mom, the
What?
Russians followed us.
Yeah. I think this is... Can you turn it around? Because look at that. They're not gonna see another... Put it right there. Put it there, up. There. And then... Right there. Alright, so Kuya's gonna turn it on. Did you put it on? Hey, Mr. Did you put it on the cords right there? Dun dun da. How about you? What you doing there? Oh, hopefully.
If that one breaks, I'm gonna be so sad.
Oh yeah, hopefully no break, no ripping.
Hold on, wackies. Before we turn this on, I want you to like and subscribe, or else my brother will chicken you.
Hold on, Wackies, for turn this one on. And YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to subscribe or else my brother will chicken you forever.
Okay, who's gonna try? Kuya, you really the one?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Oh, nice! Is that your wish? To have an air dancer?
Yeah.
Barbershop, there you go! You like it, Kuya? Wow! But there is no face. But I like the color.
Yeah, I have no face, and I must scream.
Oh, nice! First time, like Kuya said, that we have an air dancer that doesn't have.
Face?
Yes, and it's only a straight tube. No face, no arms, it's just a tube, right? And its color, like Zz said, red, white, blue, white, red, blue, white, red, blue. Wow, that is very beautiful. This is the one that they should have a vortex, right? So that it moves around like that.
Mom, you just gave me an idea.
What?
An air dancer model for scratch.
Oh, nice. Are you Squidward?
No, do the air dancer dance.
Look at.
Flailing on, flailing to, flailing. What? Man, what? Two man.
So that's how it looks like. Let me see the. Let me see. Oh, nice. It's nice also texturing. Is it soft? Huh?
Then, want some air?
That's too much air. It's like I'm flying in the fire.
Oh, no. Wow, it looks it looks like a carnival tunnel in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Like a satellite. It's closer. Right?
Yeah, Mom, did you realize that they have to come to the class?
Oh yeah, it's alternate on the other side. Look at that. Here on this side is white, blue, red. On this side is red, white, blue. Right? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. You're silly, go Zz.
Welcome to the brawl of the century. Dingus Day versus Tube Mode Cakes.
Who's gonna be?
3, 2, 1, fight! Well, fight it!
What is that?
And Dingus Zz wins!
Oh yeah, there you go.
Make the air dancer with punches.
Yeah, now moving. It's moving. It says, why you moving me? I can move. Beautiful, no, Kuya? What?
Some air.
Some air? Look at that. This looks like it's warm. It looks
Yeah. I feel like she would be a carnival.
like, yeah.
Just like me. Still give people free air.
Ah! Maybe you make a letter. This is a letter. Kuya, make a letter. Letter A.
This is a wow.
Letter A. N. Yeah, N.
Oh, no. That's all for today, Wacky. See you next time. Bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe, or else Z will chicken you. Anyways, have a no barber air dancer day. Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye, guys. See you next time, guys. Have a barbershop no face air dancer day. Bye-bye. Remember, subscribe, or else my brother will chicken you tonight forever.
Me. See you next time.